Hey, I got my package from Famous in Oregon today. I sprung for the mystery boo box, and here it is. It's a mystery, but it does say protect from heat, so I'm hoping that means there's a plant in there. Let's find out, shall we? All right. Now, according to Tanner, could be anything in here. So let's see if I can get this box open. My only second ever purchase from Famous in Oregon. Famous in Oregon, boy, I was so excited because I live in Washington. I'm thinking, oh, I can travel down to Oregon. Yeah, they're in Texas. That's kind of a pisser. Okay, let's see. Why did the Scarecrow win a medal? Because he was outstanding in his field. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see. So, we get, a code. 20% off your next live sale order. Hey, that's kind of cool. You've been booed. You've been booed. All right, let's find out. Oh, look, it says, I don't know, can you see this? It says chopsticks, and it looks like it was packed by Allison. So let's see what's in here. Who else is excited to find out? I know I am. Oh, those chopsticks. Well, here, let's, oh, pretty paper, brown paper, brown paper, brown paper, brown paper. All right, let's first of all get these. Let's see what's it say. It says, check that pot before you water that pot, Tanner the planter. Oh, some nice Tanner the planter chopsticks. Those will come in handy. Okay, what did Allie put in here for us today? Gonna cut the tape. Love the packaging. I just feel like everything's gonna be safe and good. So, little package. Ooh, I'm kind of liking this. Ba, 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 ba. Alrighty, and we have a random plant. Oh, so it's figure it out yourself what kind of plant it might be. So I'm gonna guess a Hoya of some sort. Here, what do you think that is? Huh. Maybe somebody in the comments will tell me what it is. Or who knows, maybe I'll find it in here somewhere. The other plant I got from them, I got a Goeldii. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Look at all that dirt just falling out. Soil. It's pretty dry, we'll give it a drink here. All right. Don't know what it is, but I kind of like it. We'll set that off to the side and we'll find out what's in the other package. Wonder, maybe one of these materials said? No. Helpful hints. Okay. It didn't say. All right. Now this other one's a little bit bigger. Oh, or a lot bit bigger. Nothing else in the package. Ooh, now I'm excited. What might this be? Okay. Oh, and more tape. Oh, Allie, you use so much tape. That is good for you. All right, let's find out what might this be. Oh my goodness. I do believe this has been on my wish list, or something that I keep seeing. The Philly Lickety Split. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Tanner, Famous in Oregon, Allie for packing, thank you so much. This was a great mystery box, the Boo Box. I would tell you if you're watching this to go and get one yourself, but last I checked, sold out. So, very pleased here. Happy camper. All right, take it easy. Thanks so much.